can now go ahead and complete your Bee Network Airdrop KYC. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, or you're here to subscribe to our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, check the link in the description of this video and join our Telegram channel. And if you're here to register for Bee Network, this is the right time for you to get started. Check the link in the description of this video, join our Telegram channel, and make sure you register. So Bee Network is already 5 years, and Airdrop and TGE is loading, just like Pi Network that's been around 5 years plus. The same thing is also happening to Bee Network. So TGE takes place any moment from now. So follow this step to get your KYC done quick and easy. First thing you need to do is to come to your profile section. So when you come to your profile section, from here you're going to see KYC verification. So when you come to KYC verification, you guys have to wait for a few minutes for it to load. So from here, look at the things you are verifying. They are going to check your check yourself, the environmental, well lit, then this. So then from here you click on verify. So after clicking on verify, you can see it says pick your phone and face the camera. Okay, then confirm. So the verification is very simple and easy. I think what they actually want is for your face to show very well. They lively check to make sure you are the real person. You get the point. Then another thing, you can actually come here. You can come to account security. Then make sure you complete everything you have here. You get the point. So after completing that, then you can come to your security settings. Then make sure you set in your password. Then set other things for your account security. So that is very, very important. Then you can come to your wallet area. Then you make sure you create your wallet, or you actually update your wallet. If you click on update here, it says you have been agreed to create new wallet. The other parameter will be deleted. So if you're here to create wallet before, you can actually read here, then update your wallet. As you can see from here, I've not even created any wallet at all. You get the point. I've not created any wallet. So I can actually come here and actually click on I agree. You get the point. So then I can back it up on cloud. That means on my Google Play. So I can actually back it up